What about the choroid? The choroid is the second part, as we said, the sclera, the choroid, and the retina. The choroid, this is the nearly orange part. This is the orange part. This is the choroid, and it goes through all the lining. What is the choroid? Is the second or the middle layer of the eyeball. This opaque layer provides blood supply for the eye. As it supplies the blood for the eye, you can see it is a reddish or orange structure. The anterior part of the choroid layer consists of the iris, pupil, and the ciliary body. And you can see it here. The iris, the pupil, this is the pupil, and the iris, this is the iris, قزحية, and the ciliary body. The ciliary body, this is the ciliary body. So these are the layers that is found in relation to the choroid. The iris is the colored portion of the eye and contains smooth muscles. الآيرس هي ما يعطي لون العين ويحتوي على عضلات smooth muscles. The pupil البؤبؤ, it is the opening of the center of the iris. So you have the iris. If you look to the eye from the front, the color of the eye, his eye is green in color, blue in color, mostly it is black or brownish. This is the iris. The center of this color, the opening is the pupil, البؤبؤ. What is the function of the pupil? Is to permit the entrance of the eye, of the light into the eyeball. The iris muscle contract or relax to change the size of the pupil, and all of you can see how pupil is changed in size between the dim and the light environment. When you go outside, the pupil will be smaller in size, while if you are inside the house, you can see, or in a dim light, you can see the pupil is widened. Immediately posterior to the iris is the ciliary body. This is a ring of smooth muscles sitting in the center of the rings is the lens. So the ciliary body, we had said it is here, and this is the lens. This is the lens. You can see this. So the ciliary body, it contains the lens. The lens is sitting in the center of this ring. The lens is not actually part of the choroid layer, but it is attached to the ciliary body by means of a thin ligament that is called the suspensory ligament. اللينس العدسة is sitting in the choroid and attached by the ligament اللي هي هنا عندنا نسميها sensory suspensory ligament تكون في هذا المكان. The muscular ciliary body contracts and relaxes to pull the edge of the lens, changing the shape of the lens so it can focus incoming light into the retina. So the ciliary body, it controls the size of the lens by pulling it through the suspensory ligaments to change the size of the lens.